Have you ever noticed that some plants seem to have a bedtime? Meet Oxalis triangularis, a plant that actually possesses a living clock. What makes this plant so special is its hidden mechanics. It moves in perfect sync with the rhythm of the day. When the sun comes up, it wakes up, and when the sun goes down, it goes to sleep. But how does it do this, and more importantly, why? The process is triggered by a simple stimulus, the presence or absence of light. During the day, in the presence of light, the leaves open wide. At night, in the absence of light, the leaves fold and close. This phenomenon is known as Nyctinasty. It isn't random. It is a precisely controlled physiological response that we can explain by looking at three distinct levels of the plant's organization. First, at the organismal level, we see the visible movement of the leaves themselves. But to find the engine driving this movement, we have to go deeper to the cellular level. Here, the movement is driven by changes in water pressure, specifically called turgor pressure, within specialized cells at the base of the leaf. But what tells the water to move? For that, we go to the molecular level. It all comes down to the flow of microscopic ions through tiny channels. Let's break down exactly how this molecular switch works. When light hits the plant, it triggers ion channels in the cell membranes to open. Ions rush into the cell. Naturally, water follows these ions via osmosis. This influx of water causes the turgor pressure inside the cell to increase. The cells become turgid, swollen and rigid, pushing the leaf up and causing it to open. However, in darkness, this process reverses. The water exits the cells, making them flaccid or limp. Without that internal pressure to hold them up, the leaves fall down. So why does the plant spend energy doing this? This nightly movement is an evolutionary advantage crucial for the plant's health. Closing the leaves is primarily a strategy to conserve water. By folding up, the plant reduces the surface area exposed to the cool night air. This minimizes water loss through transpiration and helps maintain the water supply within the stem and roots. This behavior has captivated humans for centuries. As early as the 13th century, the scholar Zakariya al-Qazwini documented this exact phenomenon in his famous book, The Wonders of Creation. While ancient botanists thought it was due to the loss of sap from the sun, we now know it is much more complex. From the flow of microscopic ions to the folding of a leaf, Oxalis triangularis performs a daily ballet choreographed by the rhythm of light. It is a perfect example of the intricate and elegant solutions found in our natural world. Thanks for watching.